After post surgery, this is a good thing if you ever need to, have a bad day, but you can't afford it. Now, this is an actual manual, like a bad day. All right. Now, you are going to require to put this on the toilet seat and add your own water. Now, here's a little demo that we're going to demonstrate. Just put a piece of paper so you guys can see how well effective it works. All right. Pretending that you are going to sit in the actual seat itself. So once you set it up, all you got to do is add water. Now this is compatible pretty much with any toilet seat. It does drain into the system and it starts pushing the actual water out, but you have to actually manually pump it. Now, one thing I did learn, do not overflow this. You got to make sure that it has enough water where the actual pump goes through. Now this is collapsible. It combines into one unit, so if you ever want to travel or take it with you, it fits pretty much everywhere. Now let's go ahead and demo it so you can see how it works. So you add your water to it. Once you add the water, you're going to see that this little pump is going to push everything out. All right. The more you pump, the farther it's going to go. So let me go ahead and demo it. As you can see, we have a water line there, and do not overfill that. The pump, you get it one hand or either hand that you want. You could change it vice versa, and then you start squeezing. This is a manual thing. It works with air, so give it a minute when you're actually doing this. Let it release it. Make sure you don't cover the hole in the back so it could suck air from the one end and push it out to the end. So who's this device for? It's pretty much for everyone. If you, like I said, bad days are really expensive and it takes a lot of labor to set these up when you could actually just buy one of these and use it. Now, it is going to require you to dispose of the actual water at the end. So you're going to have to put in the same toilet where it's sitting at. So pretty much take it anywhere, collapsible, easy to use. You can't overdrain. And all you got to do is push the water to the back if you want. And that's it. So if you guys are looking for inexpensive bidet or something for yourself to clean yourself, or we need assistance, this might be a good thing for you. So hope you guys enjoy this video.